Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. White color, white color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use red color. Red color. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use green color. Green color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use black color. Black color. I for ice, I for ice cream. And use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. It's now draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use white color. White color. Kids, again use white color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids, now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use blue color. Blue color. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids, now draw N. N for nose. N for nest, N for nose. And use blue color. The alphabets of N. Kids night O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids night Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. Kids night S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids night U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids night W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use blue color. Blue color. W for wolf. Kids again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids night Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use red color. Red color. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. And again use red color. The alphabets of Z. Kids now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use green color. O N E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids night 2. The numbers of 2. And again use green color. Green color. T W O 2. Kids night 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow color. Yellow color. T H R W 3. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids night 5. The numbers of 5. And use black color. Black color. F I V E 5. Kids again use black color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids night 7. The numbers of 7. And here's blue color. S E V E and 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. EIGHT 8. Kids now 9. The numbers of 9. And here's red color. NINE 9. Kids again use red color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. TE and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids, today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for x-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.